Morning. Today we will start class 10 social science chapter number 1 glorious India beginning to 206 AD. In a last video we have discussed about the Mahajanpadas and completed Mahajanpadas. Now we start the dynasty. The first dynasty of this video is that Maurya dynasty or Maurya empire. Before I start the Maurya dynasty, we are talking about the some person's name. Alexander the Great, he was the Greek ruler. Seleucus Nicator, he was the commander of Alexander. Chanakya, the real name of Chanakya was Vishnugupta and title name is Kautilya. Chandragupta was the minister in the court of Nanda rulers and he trained an ordinary child whose name was Chandragupta, and with the help of him he overthrew Dhananan or Nanda dynasty in Magadha. And next person is Dhananan. Who was the Dhananan? Dhananan was a very cruel and the last ruler of Nanda dynasty. These are the person you can be know about them. Now we are talking about how the establishment of Maurya dynasty in a Magad. Establishment of Maurya dynasty. In 326 BC, dictatorial rulers of Nanda dynasty was ruling over Magadha. Nanda dynasty rulers was very cruel and he was ruling over Magadha in 326 BC. And the people of Magadha were very suffering from his atrocities. Atrocity means cruel treatment. He is doing bad behavior with their peoples, and extra burden of taxes, and he is imposed so many extra burden of taxes, so that people were suffering from there. And terrified by the Alexander inventions during that time, Kautilya's student Chandragupta emerged and established a new dynasty called Maurya dynasty. And peoples were suffering from the Alexander invention. It means again and again from the northern parts, Alexander attacked on India, so that people were suffering. In that time, Kautilya's student, whose name was the Chandragupta, emerged and established a new dynasty which is known as the Maurya dynasty. Now we are talking about the Chandragupta Maurya. The ruling period of Chandragupta was 322 BC to 298 BC. With the help of Chanakya, Chandragupta defeated Dhananan and became the ruler of Magadha at the age of 25. Chandragupta Maurya was in a very early age of 25 years. He defeated Dhananan and became the rulers of Magadha. And he was the first ruler of Magadha who is ruled all over the India by his victory. In 305 BC, he defeated a Greek ruler whose name was the Seleucus Nicator. And who was the Seleucus Nicator? Seleucus Nicator was the commander of Seleucus Nicator was the ruler of Alexander the Great. And both made a treaty. What is the meaning about the treaty? The meaning of the treaty about that agreement between the two states, yeah, settlement and alliances, yeah, friendship. When the two states are doing the treaty with each other, that they are put it the some conditions. So what is the condition of this treaty was there? This treaty is happened with Chandragupta Maurya and Seleucus Nicator. First condition was of this treaty was that Chandragupta Maurya gave 500 elephants to Seleucus Nicator, and second is Seleucus gave eastern Afghanistan, Baluchistan and western part of eastern Indus rivers to Chandragupta. Next condition of this treaty was that Seleucus got his daughter Helena married to Chandragupta. And next condition of this treaty was that Seleucus sent Megasthenes as his ambassador in Chandragupta. What is the meaning about the ambassador? Ambassador means representative who present in a Chandragupta courts. As for Tamil treaties means Tamil literature. According to the Tamil literatures, which name was Anurya and Marunuru, is said that Chandragupta invaded South India also. These Tamil literature said that Chandragupta is extend their empire from the South India also. In old age, he took initiations of Jain religion from Bhadrabahu. Initiation means teachings. It is said that in old age, when he was older, he took the teachings of the Jain religion. He adopted the Jain religions and became the Jainism, and he took the Jain teaching from the Bhadra Bhau. And in 298 BC, Chandragupta Maurya was died in Shravan which is situated in Mysore through fasting. Fasting means it is a Santhara system. In a Zen religion, there is a Santhara system in which that people are die when they keep the fasting. And now the Chandragupta Maurya was the complete, and in this topic you will learn about that the teachers of Jain teacher of Chandragupta Maurya and who came in his court, Greek ambassador names, you will be learning very well. Now the next emperor king was Bindusar. Bindusar was the second Mauryan rulers, and ruling period of Bindusar was 298 to 273 BCE. Bindusar was the son and successor of Chandragupta Maurya, and he was known as, it was the title name of Bindusar, Amitrochus, by the Greek author. Greek author gave this title to Bindusar. It is the Amitrochus. You will be learn about that. What is the title of Bindusara, which is given by the Greek author. It is a here is the question, so it is a important for you. Next, according to the Vayu Puran, Bindusar also called Bhadrasara. Vayu Puran, it is a Hindi text, Hindi religious text. It is said it is known Vayu, according to the Vayu Puran, his title was the Bhadrasara. And in Jain text, in Jain literature said he was called Singhasena. Jain text that give the title of Bindusara Singhasena. He won the South Indian regions and included in Mauryan Empire. He also, because Magad was extended in north side, and then Bindusar also extended his area in a southern south of South India. According to Divya Vedna, during his rule, so many revolt took place in Takshila. Takshila is now it is presented in Pakistan, and that time so many revolt means there is the peoples are against the policies of the Bindusar, so that they started the revolt that took places in the Takshila. So to crush them, to end from these revolts, he earlier first time he sent to the Ashoka, and afterwards he sent Ashoka's elder brother Shushi were sent from there too, so that they can be suppressed, they can be ended the revolts. And Greek ruler Antiochus appointed Dimachus as his ambassador, and Egyptian king Philadelphus sent his ambassador Dionysius his courts. And two persons are there, two rulers, Greek ruler and Egyptian rulers, are which named Antiochus is the Greek ruler, and Philadelphus was the Egyptian ruler, sent his ambassador Dimachus, Greek ambassador, and Dionysius was the Egyptian's ambassador, was present in the Bindusar courts. Both name you will be learned very well. It is the questions from there, and it will be come in your exams. Give the name of the Egyptian's ambassador who was present in Bindusar courts, and give the name of Greek ambassador who was presented in Bindusar courts. So okay, this is the Bindusar's topic. It was completed. Now I will show the map of Mauryan Empire. You can see this is the major political centers of the Mauryan Empire. This is the gray color. It shows that here from here to here the Magad Empire was spreading. That here is the Takshila. And then it is a Ujjain, Patliputra. Patliputra was the capital of Magadha, and it is the Toshali, and Suvarnagiri. You can say here the north part, and here is the south part of the India, so that it is the state of the Magad periods. Okay, thank you.